Hey everyone, in this tutorial, we're going to learn how to create a very simple border using Photoshop. To begin, I opened up this winter themed photo that I downloaded for free on a site called Unsplash, but go ahead and use any photo you'd like. First, we're going to start by unlocking our layer by going to the Layers panel and clicking on the lock icon. Next, we will enlarge the canvas by clicking Image and then Canvas Size. In the dialog box, make sure the relative box is checked and enter your desired pixel width and height. Before you click OK, double check that the anchor is set to the center square. Now that there is additional space around our image, we can add the border color by going to Layer, New Fill Layer, and choosing Solid. You can name your new fill layer or click OK and then choose a color of your choice by using the color picker feature. In order to view our border, we have to send the layer to the back. We can do this by clicking and dragging the layer below our image layer in the Layers panel. Now if you're not happy with the border color, it can be changed by double-clicking the color box. This time around, we're going to choose a color using the eyedropper tool. In order to do this, just click on a specific area of the image and the color of the border will change. Once we're happy with our border, navigate to the Layers panel and select the image layer. Next, we're going to add another border color by clicking the effects icon and choosing stroke. In the dialog box, adjust the stroke width with the slider bar or enter a number of pixels. Make sure the position of the stroke is set to the inside, and change the color by clicking the color box. Now that we have our border colors, we can add more details such as text. Since my image is winter themed, I'm going to add some text that says Happy Holidays, change the color, and add some kerning. And there we go, our very own custom border created in Photoshop. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more content.
Image Framer.